Have you ever woken up feeling like you didn't sleep well, even after 8 hours in bed? Many people tell me they get out of bed feeling stiff, heavy, like their body didn't rest at all. I've been there too, and things started to change the day I began stretching while still lying in bed. Just 5 minutes before getting up, completely changed my mornings. Today, I'll guide you through a simple routine you can do in bed, to wake up with more ease and energy. This sequence helps loosen the neck, activate your joints, and prepare your body for the day. All with slow, safe movements, designed for people over 60. It's like saying good morning to your body before your feet even hit the floor. And if you want to take the next step, check out my guide. It's 40% off until Sunday and was created especially for those who wake up in pain. You'll get guided videos, exclusive breathing bonuses, and practical instructions to improve your mornings. The link is in the description. Don't miss it while this offer is still available. Ready to change the way you start your day? Then take a deep breath, stay comfortably in bed, and let's wake up your body with care and presence. You'll feel the difference from the very first move. Let's begin. Firing up those legs, seated knee lifts. All right, team, first up, we've got our seated knee lifts. This one is absolutely brilliant for waking up those hip flexors, getting your thigh muscles, your quads working, and even engaging that core a little bit. Think of it like a mini march, but you're comfortably seated. We're going to get that blood pumping and tell those leg muscles. Morning, time to get active. So make sure you're sitting up nice and tall in your chair. No slouching now. We want good posture from the get-go. Shoulders back, chest proud, and a little smile on your face because this is going to feel good, I promise. Okay, let's get started with the right leg. All I want you to do is gently lift your right knee up towards your chest, as high as feels comfortable for you. Don't strain, just a nice controlled lift. Imagine there's a string pulling your knee upwards, and then slowly lower it back down to the floor. That's 1 rep. We're aiming for a steady rhythm here, not too fast, not too slow. Feel that muscle at the front of your thigh engaging? That's your quad saying hello. And try to keep your core lightly braced, like you're about to laugh, to support your lower back. We're going to keep this going for 30 seconds on this leg. Come on, you've got this. Lift and lower, lift and lower. If you can only lift your knee a little bit, that's absolutely fine. The most important thing is that you're moving and you're trying. Every little bit counts. Think about waking up those sleepy muscles. Imagine you're marching on the spot, but with purpose, with energy. Keep breathing, nice and steady. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Don't hold your breath, legends. Nearly there on this side, just a few more seconds. Keep that control. Don't just let your foot flop down. Control the movement up and control it down. Fantastic. Okay, let's give that right leg a little shake if you need to. Now we're going to switch over to the left leg. Same thing, sitting tall, core engaged, and let's go. Lift that left knee up towards your chest and lower it back down. 30 seconds on this side now. Feel the difference, or maybe it feels the same. Just notice what's happening in your body. Remember, it's not about how high you can lift it, it's about the quality of the movement and engaging those muscles. Wiggle those toes, ankle circles for happy feet. Alright team, next up we're going to give some love to our lower legs and ankles with some ankle circles. This is such a lovely, gentle movement, but it's incredibly beneficial, especially if you find your feet and ankles get a bit stiff or swollen from sitting. We're going to boost that circulation right down to your toes and help keep those ankle joints nice and mobile. Think of it as oiling up the hinges so they move smoothly. So, get comfy in your chair again, sitting tall. For this one, I want you to lift one foot just slightly off the floor. It doesn't have to be high, just enough so your ankle can move freely without your foot dragging. Let's start with the right foot. Now all you're going to do is gently and slowly rotate your ankle, drawing circles with your toes. Imagine you've got a paintbrush on your big toe and you're painting a perfect circle in the air. Nice and controlled, not too jerky. We're going to do 10 circles in one direction, let's say clockwise to start. 1, 2. Feel that movement all around the ankle joint. 3, 4. Try to make the circles as round as you can. 5, halfway there. 6. Keep breathing. 7. If you hear any little clicks or pops, as long as there's no pain, that's usually just things moving around. 8, 9, and 10. Fantastic. Now, without putting your foot down, we're going to reverse it. 10 circles anti-clockwise with the same right foot. Reach for the sky and hug yourself. Arm and back. Stretch. Alright team, let's focus on our arms, shoulders, and spine with a 2-part stretch. This is great for posture, especially if you hunch over a desk or phone. It's like a big yawn for your upper body. Sit tall, feet flat on the floor, or comfortably supported. Stretch both arms up overhead, reaching for the sky. Get as much length as you can from your fingertips down your sides. Interlace your fingers, gently turn your palms up. Take a deep breath, extend your spine, reaching up. Feel the stretch from your lower back to your shoulders. Hold the stretch, breathing gently. Don't force anything, just a comfortable stretch. Imagine you're trying to touch the ceiling. This decompresses the spine, creating space between vertebrae. Keep shoulders relaxed, not hunched. A nice, long, upward reach. One more deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly lower your arms. That feels good, doesn't it? Now let's stretch the upper back. Reach your arms forward at shoulder height. Cross your arms, give yourself a big hug. Gently round your upper back, tuck your chin. Feel the stretch across your upper back. This targets muscles that get tight from poor posture. Protract your shoulders, separating your shoulder blades. Hold this stretch, breathing deeply. Imagine creating space in your upper spine. Hold for a few more seconds. Feel the release. Lean into it, wonderful side bends. All right, legends, let's keep this fantastic energy going. Next up, we're targeting the sides of our body with some lovely, gentle side bends. This movement is brilliant for your obliques and lower back, improving your lateral flexibility. It's a great way to wake up those side muscles and give your spine a different kind of stretch. Sit tall, shoulders back, feet comfortably on the floor. Place your hands on your hips, or let one arm hang down and reach the other arm up. We'll start with hands on hips. Keep your sit bones firmly planted in the chair. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently lean to the right. Feel a stretch all the way down your left side. Keep your chest open and facing forward. Imagine sliding your right hand down your leg. Hold that gentle stretch, breathing into it. Feel that lovely lengthening sensation. Don't push it too far, just to a comfortable stretch. Inhale and slowly come back up to the center. Now, let's do the same on the other side. Exhale and gently lean to the left, feeling that stretch down your right side. Keep those sit bones anchored, chest open. Imagine you're between two panes of glass, moving sideways only. Feel that stretch in your obliques and along the side of your torso. Hold it for a breath or two, and then inhale and slowly come back to the center. How did that feel? It's quite a nice release, isn't it? It really helps to open up the sides of the body. Let's do that a few more times, alternating sides, moving with our breath. So, exhale, lean to the right, inhale, back to center. Exhale, lean to the left, inhale, back to center. Loosen up shoulder rolls and gentle neck turns. Alright legends, for our final set of exercises in this seated routine, we're going to focus on releasing tension in two areas that so many of us hold stress: our shoulders and our neck. These are super simple, gentle movements, but oh my goodness, they can make such a difference to how you feel, especially if you've been hunched over, feeling a bit tight, or just carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders, literally. So, let's get ready to roll away that tension and ease out any stiffness. First up, shoulder rolls. Sit nice and tall, as always, feet comfortable, hands resting gently on your lap or by your sides. We're going to start by rolling the shoulders backwards. So, on an inhale, bring your shoulders up towards your ears, then as you exhale, roll them back and down, squeezing your shoulder blades together gently at the back. Imagine you're drawing big circles with the points of your shoulders. Let's do 10 of these backwards. So up, back and down, that's 1. Inhale up, exhale back and down. 2. Really try to make the movement big and fluid. 3. Feel those shoulder blades gliding. 4. This is fantastic for releasing tension in the upper trapezius muscles, those muscles at the top of your shoulders that often get super tight. 5. Halfway there. 6. Keep breathing with the movement. 7. Imagine you're shrugging off any stress or worries. 8. 2 more, 9, and 10. You smashed it. Keep that energy flowing. Wow team, give yourselves a massive round of applause. You've just completed an absolutely fantastic seated workout. Take a moment right now to just reconnect with your body. How are you feeling? Can you feel that lovely buzz of energy, that improved circulation? Maybe your joints feel a little looser, your muscles a bit more awake, and a sense of calm and relaxation washing over you. That's the power of movement, even gentle movement, right from your chair. You've done something amazing for yourself today. I really encourage you to try and incorporate these simple exercises, or even just a few of them, into your daily routine. Consistency is key, and even 5 or 10 minutes of mindful movement each day can make a huge difference to your long-term health, your energy levels, and your overall well-being. Imagine how much better you'll feel if you make this a regular habit. And if you're hungry for more and ready to take your seated fitness to the next level, I've got a complete seated exercise program available that you can explore. Remember, movement is always possible, no matter your age, your current fitness level, or your physical condition. There's always something you can do to look after your incredible body. So please, keep exploring, keep moving, and continue on your wellness journey. Even a short routine like this proves that you don't need a gym or fancy equipment to make a positive impact on your health. Thank you so much for joining me today. You absolutely smashed it. Keep that positive energy flowing, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Stay active, stay healthy, and keep smiling.